こんにちは。VR 日本語の萌です。今日は I'll show you how to set up Japanese keyboard on your iPhone. Let's get you started. Let's go to Settings. Under the setting, go to General. Under General, go to Keyboard. So, there's lots of keyboard here. Go to Keyboards. Right now I have only English, but you can add new keyboard. So look for Japanese. Japanese. Now we have two types of keyboard in Japanese, kana and romaji. Most Japanese people use kana, but most Japanese learners, I suggest use romaji. So today we're going to use romaji. If you like, you can add kana as well. Japanese, kana, you can add both. And another good things to add while you're at it is emoji. I love my emoji. So you can add Japanese kaomoji emoji on here. Okay, so go back. If you want to start typing a message to your friend, you go to the message app. Then just down the bottom, next to where it says 1, 2, 3, the symbol of the world. This changes the keyboard type. So if you press again, you get, this is a kana input. So if you know that hiragana, you can type it like this. E. To get the E, you have to press it twice. And to get U, press it 3 times. E. You guessed it, press it 4 times. And O, 5 times. Okay, so same thing for the ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. Ka to get 1 time, twice, ki, 3 times, ku, 4 times to get ke, and 5 times to get ko. I do suggest you to use the romaji input. So you go to the world key again and go back to English and press again. Ooh. This is your romaji input. Get a, I, U, E, O. You press A for a, I for I, U for U, E for E, and O for O. So what I did was A, I, U, E, O to get A, I, U, E, O with romaji input. So this is if you know the sound of a word. For example, you know the sound of word sushi, and you know how to spell sushi, S-U-S-H-I. Sushi. So, to make this sushi into hiragana, you go back to romaji input, type in exactly the same as how the spelling of above, S-U-S-H-I. This is sushi. Okay, so you can spell sushi, but it's not really conversational. So let's think about something you can type to your friend in Japanese to impress your Japanese friend. What can we think of? What about if it's morning? Ohayo. Good morning. Ohayo. So it would spell O-H-A-Y-O-U. Ohayo. Let's try that. O-H-A-Y-O-U. Ohayo. That's good morning. Morning. And you might want to say, how you doing? Genki? Genki, which is also the name of the textbook, Genki. Genki. How are you? Genki. Now, Genki also has kanji. And the prediction of the kanji comes up. Let's have a look. Genki. And that first two kanji character, this is the kanji for Genki. So if you know it, you can choose the kanji. It would impress your friend doubly. Ooh, you can write kanji. That's so cool. So impress your friend with hiragana first, and if you feel comfortable, you impress your friend with kanji. Okay. You can start with small words like ohayo, genki, or jane. Jane is see ya. So how do you spell jane? Ne. So let's spell that. Ne. Jane. See ya. Or you can say mata ne. See you soon. Mata ne. And maybe you might want to spell your name in Japanese too. In that case, for example, if your name is David, this is how you spell your name in Japanese. Deibito. You notice that double T-O is going to show Deibito. Deibito. We don't have V sounds in Japanese. So B sound is going to become B sound in Japanese. Therefore, deibito. Deibito. Okay. And if you like to get kaomoji, you can go back to your kana and go add your kaomoji to make your conversation super friendly. This is a beginner's guide to typing in Japanese. If you know how to spell it in Romaji, it's a lot easier. If you know how to spell it in Hiragana, you can probably use kana feature. Whichever it is easier for you, you can start typing in Japanese. And then start impressing your friends. And so next time, try typing hello to your Japanese friend in Japanese. For example, you would need to say KONNICHI-HA. Remember, this is a wa particle, so it's spelled as ha. If you follow exactly this spelling, konnichiwa, you will get hello in Japanese. You want to say genki, how are you? You would spell genki and maybe question mark. genki, genki. Genki actually has a kanji. So this is this kanji right here. So you can alternatively use kanji. Genki. Konnichiwa. Genki. If you want to say, are you free tomorrow? Ashita. Ashita means tomorrow. Hima, free. Ashita, ashita, hima. Are you free tomorrow? Ashita, hima. Alternatively, you have a kanji option. Ashita is this kanji. Hima, this is the kanji. Are you free tomorrow? Then you can say, Mata ne, see you. Mata ne. Mata ne. So, you can start typing in Japanese and impress your Japanese friends, starting from konnichiwa or genki, ashita hima, are you free tomorrow? Or mata ne, see ya. These will definitely impress your Japanese friends if you start typing. Okay, this is how you can start typing in Japanese on your iPhone, and I hope you enjoy your lesson today. And if you like my video, or if you have any request on any other things that you want to know, please write me a comment below, and I'll try to make a useful video for you. If you like my video, please subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you next time. じゃあね、またね。